Our server exploded. We're straight out of the submarine.
Jay, what are we gonna do now?
Well, I heard that Great Lakes Manufacturing can fix our server. And I heard that they love their jobs.
Well, let's go there then.
It's a good thing I kept this for emergencies.
Your customer come, they have this little spec sheet, and this shows them what they want. This is a little box, it's got glass in it, and all these different details tell us all about what they want. And of course, our job in engineering then is to turn this into something that we can make on the floor. And that all starts with a quote. So once it's priced, if the customer's happy, they place an order for it, and then the process of engineering begins inside to make this happen. From there, we'll go up to here. We take all this, we model all this.
Okay, we make steel cabinets for computer servers and other successful companies for data storage. We are kind of unique here because we do a lot of different things for a lot of different people. So one day we may be making one thing and the next day we may be making something totally different. So you don't get bored making the same thing over and over. So it's really neat to see the different things that we make every day. It's always different. I like working with the technology. The machines we have, they're all computer based. And it's fun to take a sheet of raw material and apply the software and cut parts out of it, and when we form it and weld it and get a finished product, it's nice to see what we can actually make with it.
Guys, the server turned back on.
Thanks to Great Lakes Manufacturing, Corry, PA.